Have you ever stood in a store staring at a 50% off sign and fumbled for your phone's calculator? What if you could solve that in your head, instantly? Finding percentages isn't some complex math wizardry, it's a practical life skill. The secret is that you don't need to calculate every single percentage, you just need to master a few key building blocks. Let's start with the big three. 50% is just half. Easy. 50% of 80 is 40. 25% is a quarter, so you can divide by 4. Or even better, just halve your 50% amount. So 25% of 80 is half of 40, which is 20. And 75%? Just add those two results together. 40 plus 20 is 60. You've just solved 3 common percentages without breaking a sweat. But the real superhero of percentages is 10%. To find 10% of any number, just move the decimal point one place to the left. 10% of 200 is 20. 10% of 45 is 4.5. Once you have 10%, you have the ultimate building block. Need 20%? Just double it. Need 5%? Just halve it. This is where it gets powerful. What about a trickier one, like 60% of 50? Don't panic, just break it down. 50% of 50 is 25. 10% of 50 is 5. Add them together. 25 plus 5 is 30. You can even subtract. To find 90% of 80, don't multiply, just find 10%, which is 8, and take it away from the total. 80 minus 8 is 72. By starting with these simple benchmarks, you can combine, add, and subtract your way to almost any answer. It's like having a mental toolkit that turns intimidating math into a simple puzzle. This isn't just about tests, it's about navigating the world from restaurant tips to store sales faster and smarter.